Hey guys, today I made lemon coconut bars. To get started, oil a 9x9-inch pan with some oil. Next, I'm going to pour 3/4 cup of crushed graham cracker crumbs into a half stick of melted butter. Give the mixture a good mix and then put it into the pan. Use a spatula or the bottom of a measuring cup to press down the graham cracker crumbs. Once I press down those graham crackers really finely, I place one 8-ounce box of cream cheese into the same bowl as the graham cracker crumbs because I don't like washing dishes, and I gave that a good mix. After I softened up the cream cheese for a bit, I zested one lemon, and make sure you wash the lemon before you zest it, so that way it's all clean. I used the same lemon, and I squeezed out 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. After that, I cracked in 1 egg. After I cracked in the egg, I gave everything a really good mix. It will look very lumpy in the beginning, but you just have to keep mixing until everything comes together. As much as you mix it, I don't think it can be 100% smooth, but this is the smoothest I got mine. Then you just add it all to the pan. After you've added it to the pan, give it a quick smooth so that way everything is nice and flat. After you've smoothed out the cream cheese mix, add on some sweetened coconut. Make sure you use the sweetened one because there's actually no sugar inside the cream cheese mixture. Then to add on some extra sweetness, I'm going to add lots of white chocolate chips. I ended up not adding enough on. You bake this at 350 degrees for around 25 to 30 minutes. Before you cut into these bars, make sure you cut around the outside so that way it doesn't stick, because even though you grease them, there is a high chance that it'll probably stick again. Before you do this step, make sure the bars have cooled down for at least 1 or 2 hours. After your bars have cooled, you're going to take another plate and you're just going to flip it onto it. Then I'm going to take another plate and then flip it again. You don't have to, you can eat the bars upside down. I didn't let my bars cool long enough, so when I cut them, they kind of squished together.